Hi, in this video we are gonna check out what relations have we set up for this website. So if we check under jet engine relations, we have one here. So it is intro completed items because again we just set up the intro, but again exactly similar process if you add additional level like example here. In the relations, if we open this, so we provide first the name, and then the parent is the users, and then the child object is the custom post type that we have created, which is this one. We're pulling that and using it as the child. Relation type is many to many. And then these are the items that I have turned on and off. For the labels, I have set labels for the parent object, relation box, and the child object, relation box. Now, if we look that in the profile page of the users, so this is what we have. So after you create a relation, it will have this connection. So we have set the user as the parent and many to many. Now, if I example open this or edit this post, I should also see my name in there. So as you can see, these are the users who have completed this lesson. So that's how it looks. So it's going to list all of the users who have completed this lesson. So maybe on some of your feature, you want to take advantage on these details and count how many users have completed this lesson and create a leaderboard from that. Again, depending on your setup. But do note that these two are connected. So on the user's profile page, it only will list the list of lessons. But on the lessons page, it will show who are those who have completed this lesson. So you have this data. And it's very powerful and useful for sure in some gamification that you want to have. So that's the relations setup for this website. I'll see you in the next one.